show you how to clean your bath tub. I got a stand-up shower, but the same rule apply for any tub. This is just what I do. But it been working very well for me. So you already know what to do. Really ain't nothing new. Wow. All right, so basically what I got here is three things. I'll say four. I got basically a little bucket. With that, you want to, put a little water in there, especially when you want to clean the tiles and the walls. You put a little bit of that on there and just let it run down. The scrub, of course, scrub the tiles. You scrub the tub. Some gloves, glove for your hand. You already know what that is. And the Ajax. This really works the best. This is what I use. So you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head over now to the top and show you how it looks. Can't believe I'm showing this, but this is for recording purposes, I guess, or educational purposes. This is how it's looking right now. Of course, I'm gonna show before and after picture. This is the mat. You're gonna remove this mat. You can really see the difference. Underneath it, it's probably more cleaner than to the left of it, but that's another story. All right. And for the walls, of course, you can see the corner, how the corner looks dirty. We're gonna scrub it. I got the scrubber, honestly, I got it from Dollar Tree for $1. So you can go and pick that up. Very inexpensive. All right, guys, this is basically me showing the process of how it's done from start to finish. We're gonna start by removing the floor mat if you have one. Remove this. Place it on right here for now. Me, I like to turn my shower on and get it damp. Get the towel damp. So I'm gonna turn the shower on. Come back to you guys in like 5 minutes. All right. So 5 minutes is up right now. I like to use hot water because it has steam in it. So the steam allows it to make it easier for you to clean the towels too as well. Of course for the tub as well, but the towels, the steam works perfectly for that. So I normally set it on hot, So we're gonna just get the Ajax. I got something like this. I'm gonna remove this, put it to the side. This goes on the drainage. I'm just gonna get everything out the way. That you don't need at the moment to clean the tub. Now we're starting the scrubbing process. Like starting with the inside of it, then do the perimeter of the tub. So do the perimeter of the tub, right? Like I said. I think that's it right there. So basically, this is what I use to scrub the tub with. What we want to do is I'm going to fill up this right here. Put some water in there. And get some Ajax. A new Ajax for the towels. So we're going to basically mix it up. I'm going to show you how. right here. Put a little water in there. Put some Ajax in there. I'll say three times just like that. I'm just do that little portion. I'm not going to do the whole towels. Sometimes the higher up you go, the easier it is to clean. So alright, so now we're going to turn the shower on, close it up. And we're going to turn the shower on. Alright? Alright, now we're going to close it up and turn the shower on. Let the shower up for at least 5 minutes. And make sure you angle your shower head so it can, wash off all the Ajax. Alright, so 5 minutes is up. That's how it's looking right now. And that's when this bucket comes into play right here. Because you can see there's a lot of dirt still there, That's where this bucket comes into play. Then if you take this, still has a little Ajax from when I was cleaning the towel, but you want to add some more water in it. I recommend hot water. Bucket I got from Dollar Tree. Let me see if I can put the product in the description. On this corner right here. Quarters are like that. See how it runs off? Runs off like that. Same thing with this corner right here. Let it run off. That's the runs off good. So basically do that for all corners, and then we're going to do the wall next. So now guys, dealing with the mat right here that I put on the rail, I'm gonna wash it with the bathroom sink. I'm basically just take this out, put it on the here like this, sprinkle a little Ajax on it. Ajax does everything. Again. Give it another 5 minutes. Basically what I did was I put the mat around. course, flip the mat around so I can clean the other side of the mat. For me, the final step is to wipe down. We got a fresh, undammed rag, of course, microfiber towel from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna just do the wipe down process of the cord.
Stop the towels first.
Give them one more pass through. The towels looking good. Other towels, the tub looking good. But I'm gonna have to add another product in. So I get the dirt off the towels on my wall. So the new addition I added for the towels is this right here, a sponge. Has two sides, abrasive side. And this is the non-abrasive side, which I really won't be using. I'm more concerned about this one, so I can lift the dust off the towels. So I can lift the dirt off the towels. So I'm gonna dampen this in hot water. Hot water here on the towels. See if it's any different. Especially the white part, white towels. So now, what we're going to do here is clean the drainer right here. I normally, for cleaning the drainer area, which is of course right here, and the cover, I normally get a little toothbrush, a little dirty toothbrush I got laying around. Get this, get the drainer, scrub it down a little bit. Toothbrush to scrub it down, we ain't playing around. Go to the drainage, scrub the drainage a little bit. Voila. That's it, folks.
Five more minutes. You know, I could, of course, I shall try as much time as I need to, you know.
Alright guys, basically you can find the step. I'm gonna dry it down. It's called the dry process right here. just to, speed up the process so I can show you the after picture. Alright guys, basically the after, video of how to shower. Tough is looking. Stand up shower actually is being specific. It's actually the end result of it. You can look at it and see how clean it looks before and after. I'm gonna also put some pictures in as well. You already know what to do. Again, if the sweat ain't dripping out your face like this, that means you ain't cleaning the shower head right. You ain't putting that paint in. I'm messing up the story though. You already know what to do. It really ain't nothing new. Thanks for watching. Like. It helps the discoverability of the video.